These are the Sony WH-1000XM5s. My friend Chris, he lent them to me. He said, hey, do you want to unbox them? I got them for my birthday. I said, heck yeah. And these actually go for $399, and we got it in black. Now, these are a direct competitor to Bose in terms of noise cancellation. Let's see some of the features it's promising here. So check this out. You got 30 hours of playback. So 30-hour battery life. You've got 360 audio. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like this. If there's a sound coming from the right or the left, or you look right or left, it's going to adapt the sound to where you're facing, and it's so good. It's so cool. It's like you're in a concert and you feel surrounded. So when you listen to music, it's really immersive. Back here, we just got a bit of writing, but we can see our compatibility here. So we've got iPhone, iPad, iPod, if you're still on an iPod, Amazon built-in, Alexa built-in, OK Google. So this is the packaging. Let's see where we open. Right here. No knife required. Forgive my voice. Took a trip to Six Flags, and I was having a good time. So this is it. Right here. XM5. I'm just going to call them the XM5s from now on. Okay? You open the box. Okay, this comes attached with this. Oh, does it come with anything in it? Let's see. Okay, so there's a booklet. Free trial, music service, free trial. Comes with some instructions. That's about it. Instructions in that little baggie. I want to preserve this for my boy because he was gracious enough to lend it to me. I'll leave it like that. Now, this is what we came for. So let's see what we got. This case feels nice. Oh. Camera movement. All right. This is it. So, these are your headphones. Very light material. Let's see what comes in the box before I can. Ah, there we go. I thought they were going to be the Apple. The Apple-esque moves. Oh, look. So you get a 3.5 jack. It's 3.5 to 3.5, it looks like. Awesome. I'm glad when headphones still do that. Bose, you can learn a few things from them. And you get a charging cable. I think that's it. That's all you get. Let's close this up. Here are your headphones. As I said before, very light, very smooth. They're supposed to have some cushions that are very comfortable. I'm going to try them on real fast, bro. I know this was your honor, but I'm going to try them on. Oh, yeah. I like that. I like that. That's actually for an extended use. Look at the side. Comes out very nice. Sony branding. All right. Any buttons around here? Let's see. Charging port. There's your 3.5 jack. Button. Turn on button. Bluetooth button. And there's your noise cancellation button, I believe. Let me see what that says. Yep. Noise cancellation and ambient noise. Now these, if you've had the XM4s or the XM3s, they'll be very familiar to you. They've got, this is actually touch sensitive, right? And it's supposed to be, so if you cover one, it's supposed to activate ambient sound so that you can hear someone while they're talking to you. Other than that, any other interesting features? With that 30-hour power, if you need a quick charge, if you charge it for 3 minutes, I believe you get 3 hours just for those 3 minutes. I think that's insane. That's crazy. That's basically a flight back, a short flight back. So if you're ever running out of battery, charge it for 3 minutes. You got it for 3 hours. You'll be able to fly back. But let me know what you guys think of the Sony XM5s for $399. Do you prefer it over Bose? Would you buy it over Bose? And if you don't, if you prefer Bose, let me know why in the comments section. But other than that, this was it, guys. Catch you guys later.